everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, which I'm sure most of you are because this is my first video, thank you for watching. This channel will obviously evolve over time, but to begin with, the focus is mostly going to be on movies and TV shows and lifestyle related content. And today I'm going to be talking about the Hindi movie Thappad. When I first saw the trailer of Thappad, I was very intrigued. Both Anubhav Sinha and Taapsee Pannu are individually at the top of their game, and their last collaboration, the movie Mulk, was one of the best movies I have seen in the past few years. So I was very excited by the fact that they were collaborating again. Thappad talks about the often dismissed topic of domestic violence, but by placing the story in so-called modern, urban, upper middle class India, and by defining the incidents of domestic violence with a slap, Anubhav Sinha makes it very interesting for the audience. He makes the audience recalibrate what their own definition of domestic violence is, what their own tolerance limit is, and what they think is right and wrong. Thappad can be divided into two halves, before the Thappad and after the Thappad. Before the slap, we are given a glimpse into Taapsee's life. She seems very happy playing the housewife, taking care of her mother-in-law, learning how to be a better cook. Her husband, played wonderfully by Pavel Gulati, has the more traditional role of going out for a job and being the financial provider for the family. They both seem to have well-defined roles, and for all intents and purposes, theirs seems to be a very normal and happy married life. However, even while showing us their daily mundane routines, director Anubhav Sinha adds touches of nuance. For instance, we see how Taapsee's husband treats her and talks to her when he is dealing with stress. We see the snide remark that he passes at his neighbor, played by Diya Mirza, when she drives off in a brand new car. All of which is to say that he's not a caricature of a person, he's a very complex character, a sophisticated misogynist, for lack of a better word. When the slap does happen, it is not the slap but the scenes after it that are very profound. Taapsee does not have a knee-jerk reaction. She does not create a big scene. She takes time trying to process her emotions. She goes through her daily routine while noticing that something feels different. She doesn't feel the same affection towards her husband. She doesn't enjoy her daily routine as much as she used to. People look at her with a little bit of pity, which she doesn't enjoy. She waits for her husband to say something to make her feel better, but that apology never comes. In fact, it doesn't come until the end of the movie. When Taapsee finally processes her emotions and comes to the decision that she is not in love with her husband anymore, she decides to file for a divorce. However, the scenes between her and her lawyer give us another glimpse into what she is thinking. She tells her lawyer that the only two things she ever wanted when she was in college were respect and happiness, and she doesn't feel those two anymore in this relationship. Isn't that enough to file for a divorce? Does there need to be something else? There are a few other parallel tracks in the movie. There is one between Taapsee's lawyer and her husband. She is also trapped in an abusive relationship but doesn't have the courage to leave the man despite her economic privilege. There is also one about Taapsee's housemaid and her husband. Her abuse is more common. People almost dismiss it off as a regular occurrence. However, she also eventually finds the courage to remedy the situation. All these tracks, I'm guessing, were added to show that domestic violence is all pervasive and does not discriminate based on someone's economic position or position in the society in general. However, I would have liked to see a more deeper dive into Taapsee's husband's family. There is something there, the parents are separated, there was some argument around business. However, there could have been something more there to give the audience a glimpse into why the husband behaves the way he does. Despite these minor shortcomings, the movie continues to remain engaging. In fact, there is a sudden, almost unexpected twist towards the latter half of the movie that could have thrown the script wide apart. But by choosing to stay true to the tone of the movie and true to Taapsee's rational character, I think director Anubhav Sinha does a smart thing. The movie does not become over dramatic or emotionally charged. It It just feels more real and authentic and honest. In fact, there is a lovely monologue towards the end where Tapsi says, I did not ever dream of being the best housewife in the world. Housewives are almost often taken for granted, although the work that they do is so valuable. If someone were to actually calculate how much salary housewives should be getting, they would probably be one of the highest paid jobs in the world. Having said all that, I think Thappad is a very important movie, and I recommend that all of you should watch it. Thank you.